What's going on, YouTube? It is the main man himself, the myth, the legend, the Elohim himself, the bad wolf. Wolf, wolf. Some people said I haven't done a howl in a while. I said I've been maturing, not as jazzy and sassy as I used to be. Oh no, I am. It ain't going nowhere. I just be acting cool sometimes. All right, so this particular video is about those people out there who have lost their voting rights due to a conviction, felony, et cetera, et cetera. This is for you. I know this affects a couple of my homeboys. That's how we roll. So this goes out to them. Let's take a look at what we got. All right. So if you go to Restoration of Rights Project or ccresourcecenter.org, they have a 50-state comparison of loss and restoration of civil and firearm rights. Have you lost your civil rights? Have you lost your firearm rights? Can't vote anymore? Bet you didn't know you can. You can get them reinstated. You can get them restored. Oh, you didn't know? Thought they were gone? Nah. Okay, now I'm not going to go through everything here bit by bit. It's just too vast. I'm just putting you guys on the game. But depending on what state you're in, you can go here. Let's see what the first section is. Voting rights, criminal disenfranchisement, a loss of voting rights due to conviction. Okay, click on whatever state. So this is for Florida. Lost your civil rights, your firearm, got restrictions. They're going to tell you how to get a pardon policy in practice, all of it right here. You want it expunged, you want it sealed. Maybe you can't get a job because of whatever else, get it expunged or get it sealed. Criminal records and employment. So how to do all of that is right here. These people are willing to help you. All the information is right here. The statutes, what you need to do. Look here. In addition, Florida may not deny a concealed weapons permit to any individual with an out-of-state conviction whose firearm rights were never lost. Pardon and policy. They step you through it. Okay. What else do we have on this slide here? We got loss of voting rights due to conviction, restoration of voting rights, voting, firearm rights under federal law. So let's jump down to that one. Firearm rights under federal law. All right. I'm not going to go through and read all of this. But here, they're going to tell you. Loss and restoration of state firearm rights, civil rights lost upon conviction. There's a lot of good information here if this is what you want to do. I have worked with people privately. This is not an area where I personally am super strong in, but we've been able to use this information and other stuff to be able to reinstate those things. Alabama, this can only be reinstated by a pardon. You can click here to read more. Okay. So Superior Court of Washington County of whatever state this is, or county of whatever. They're petitioning the court. Petition to restore firearm rights. Put in your information. My name is this, date of birth, type of restoration. They're not going to give you a list. You have to figure it out. What do you want reinstated? Or was it a commitment or incompetency? I was involuntary committed for treatment. Put whatever it is, you put it down. Prohibited offense. Time in the community. Additional requirements. I was convicted or found not guilty. I was involuntary, whatever it is, you put it in here. Write down why. I understand, blah, blah, blah. Make a copy of this for you, and you're going to submit the copy. There may be a fee, so be prepared for that. What I would also do is attach to this a statement of why you are sorry, why it happened from your perspective. Give them a play-by-play. Tell them if you've been involved in the community. You got any friends who are police officers or whatever else. Get them to sign your affidavit. Put it on the back. A copy for you and one for them. Submit it. And then wait and see what they have to say. And if they deny it, try it again in 6 months or a year. Tell them why you're improving. Tell them why you want it reinstated. Are you sorry for what you did? Did you not? Were you too young? Were you running with the wrong crew? Have you found Jesus? Whatever it is, you're going to give them your entire statement of your facts, affidavit of facts in concerns to the reinstatement of firearm, voting, whatever it is, these civil disabilities that you've been hit with. All right. That's it. Not a terribly long video, guys. Just want to put you guys on the path for those people that can benefit from that. Now, obviously, it would be wise to not hang out with the same old crews. It would be wise to get licensed. You know, your open carry or whatever you guys got going on. Be responsible. Don't drink and have your weapon on you, et cetera, et cetera. Don't go places where you need to have a weapon in the first place, really. Put those things behind you. Don't get caught up in the same trap where they can come after you again for something. Don't allow yourself to fall for the same what do you call it? Influences, temptations. All right. So that's it, guys. And don't think people aren't doing this. People are doing this every day, but they're not going to go and find you. Most people get these things. But they're not telling you about it. And a lot of people more so don't know about it. So use this information wisely. Walk softly, but carry a big stick. Stay out of trouble. It's not worth it at any age, let me tell you. As somebody who was all in the streets, ran with certain gangs, did all that stuff. Oh, I just had to prove myself because I wasn't dark enough. I talked too proper. I was smart. And so I knew how to do stuff. Anyway, so don't run with people who are going to get you into trouble. All right. Steer clear of it. It's not worth it. Do the best, be the best you can. Get paid, man. Get money out here. Even this information I just gave you guys, all these videos, you know how many people out there right now use my videos to make money? There's so many people out there that some give me credit and some don't, but they're out there making money because people want to learn this. People don't know how to do what I just showed you. You can take almost any of my videos and go and make money on them out there. People, do you understand? There's less than 1%. Well, what is it, 3% maybe now? It's only about 3% of the entire United States, much less the world, less than 1% that knows about this information, but it's out there. And you can be making money with it. So I don't even understand why trolls sit here and bother me when they could be making more money focusing on that. But hell, at the same time, thanks, guys, because when you guys put me on your channels, even though you try to make me look foolish, it's still exposing me to all of your entire clientele. And it's funny how many of your people come over to me and tell me about how some people do it better. That's all I'm going to say. So either get right or get left. But to the rest of you guys out there, I wish you guys nothing but the best and stay positive. And if you want it, go get it legally, of course, and make a lot of money. Take care of yourself, you and yours. Everybody be well. Later.